Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook spaghetti noodles. Full guide. Start by filling a large pot with water and bring it to a rapid boil. Then add a generous pinch of salt so the pasta absorbs seasoning while cooking. Drop the spaghetti in and stir gently to separate strands. And simmer until al dente, following package times for best texture and taste. Bring water to a full, rolling boil so the pasta cooks evenly and doesn't become gummy. Then add salt and the spaghetti, stirring to separate strands immediately. Keep the boil steady and set a timer for the lower end of the package range, testing a strand for al dente chew a minute early. Save about a cup of starchy water to loosen sauces and finish cooking the pasta briefly in the pan with sauce. After draining, transfer spaghetti directly into your saucepan so the noodles can soak up flavor and finish cooking there for a minute or two. Add a small amount of reserved pasta water to adjust sauce thickness and help it cling to the strands, stirring gently to combine. Finish with a drizzle of good olive oil or a small pat of butter for gloss, taste, and a smooth, comforting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.